Well, when you think of StyroMAX panels, you probably think of RVs, caravans, motorhomes, toy haulers, refrigerated truck bodies, basically anything with wheels. We've got a project here that doesn't have wheels. We were enlisted recently by a promotional company down the Gold Coast to produce a life-size toy box to put a car in. So we thought that was quite an interesting project and something a bit different than normal. It's got no wheels. So here it is, a life-size toy box. And I thought, well, I've got to put a toy in it. So I put the toy in that I last bought when I was 15. And now I'm 53, there's my toy. I still have it. So yeah, that's the life-size toy box. It's going to have a motor vehicle in it. So I thought, why not try it out with my own toy. So fits quite nice. So yeah, we're pretty proud of this one. Okay, now this is designed to be flat packed and then screwed together where it's going to be on the display. So we've still rebaited it to some extent, but the perimeter of all panels and all cutouts are actually 25mm pine core, so they can screw brackets into it, all on the inside, all hidden. And there's going to be clear perspex brackets sort of screwed in here, and then clear perspex to sort of make up the plastic covering that you would get in a toy box. Right, so we're super excited to do this. As I mentioned, it's not going to look like this as it sits at the moment. It's going to get a full body wrap, but it's going to a place that stops the nation. So if you do see it, take a photo of it and tag us in it. We'd love to see them.